Okay, we have made it to what they call Blue Mesa. And actually, when you look at the rocks from a distance, they do look blue. When you see them up close, they look more whitish gray. Then you have the rocks. Let's see if I can pull it in. Up there. Looks like the same formation. Oh, there's the mesa over there. Kind of blends right in. When you take the picture, you have to go offside before you can see it. And here's the sign, building up and breaking down. It started out 217 million years ago. And there was a river. Looks like a lot of water used to run through here. And then it started to come up about 65 million years ago. Until it looks like that today. Or this. No water. Nothing. Except some really cool rocks. Landscape. That is kind of cool how the water does that on those rocks. Probably can't see it like I can from here, but there's lines going up and down in different colors in the rocks. So that's Blue Mesa, and I'm not sure what's on top of those rocks over there. It's kind of interesting. From here, I don't know if it's more rocks, just different color, because there's one on the rock behind it too. Because they're orange looking. Well, it might be because this one over here has it too. That's a cool formation. And this is more of an up close, I guess, of the same stuff that's over on those rocks over there. Different color, kind of orangish, reddish color. But those, when you look at them from a distance, they do look blue. Hence the name Blue Mesa. Okay, so be on to the next. We'll see where we head. Ooh, that back there looks like a castle. Hope you guys are having a great day. Bye for now.